What up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing our Turnbull Canyon mountain bike ride. Today, there's only 4 of us. There's Crystal with her BBS02 Luna 52-volt battery. Eddie's here with us today with his BBSHD. Charles, I believe, also has a BBSHD. And today I'm using my Giant Trans BBS02 52-volt Luna electric mountain bike. Let's get it. All right, Crystal, you can take a lead. Remember, climbing gears there. You're not on your climbing gears yet. All right, whoever wants to follow. Charles, go ahead. I'll be sweeping. It's a quick right after the hill. Here we go. My turn. I missed this ride. Haven't been here in a while. It looks like all of our wives, have troubles with shifting gears. Apparently.
Bright enough?
1,000 lumen?
Yeah.
I mean, it does the job. What I like is it's also it's horn.
Oh, okay.
So I like dual function stuff.
Yeah, that's pretty
and external batteries. At least I don't have to charge extra batteries.
I know.
And Charles, this whole horn light is only $10
really?
on Amazon, shipped to you. So I'm like, dude, that's like nothing.
Oh yeah, that's a good deal.
Yeah, it's like a 2-in-1. In 2 weeks, we're gonna try to do Catalina same time.
Yeah, I saw that. Wow.
Should be different.
It's about $80 to get there.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
My brother's going this time,
Oh, I hear you. Okay, they're through. All right, a little tight. Shrubby. Here we go. And then about a 2 feet drop. Got it, Charles. Nice. Let's roll. Ooh, it was like 90 degrees today. And now it's warm. I mean, now it's nice and cool up here. Here we go. Some roller coaster downhill. Oh, tarantula. Woo-hoo-hoo. They're out and about. Oh, slippery. What a slippery day. Oh, don't hog the road, lady. More downhill. Oh, it's so slippery today. I feel like I don't have grip. I feel like I could make a left turn more than I can make a right turn. So it feels. Right turns are harder for me. I don't know why. And we're on a fire road. Okay. So now it's a single track, pretty narrow. We're going kind of uppish gradually.
Okay.
Yeah. Technically, they ride it reverse,
Yeah.
but because we're in e-bikes, it's pretty easy for us. We're gonna be here for about 7 minutes or so. Switch back and then all uphill. Clear. It's hard to be off your seat when you're going uphill though, on an e-bike. Alrighty. Oh.
No problem.
Ooh, barely. You guys okay? I saw you guys had a mishap.
Oh,
Sorry, guys. She's out of practice.
be safe, that's all.
Yeah. All right. Perfect. Yeah. Have fun. It's rollers. About 9 consecutive. Optional if you want to get air or not. But we're gonna probably do it twice or 3 times. All right. All right. Pre-ride. All right. Let's roll. Here comes the freeway, guys. Let's get some air. You. Should be okay, but my brakes are like really shoddy. Uh-oh. You. Oh no. Oh, there's a doggy. Rider. There's 3 more behind. Yep. Here we go. Woohoo! Wow, this bike is fun to jump. It's so smooth, the suspensions. I gotta transfer these suspensions to my other bike. I like my Santa Cruz frame, but I like the suspensions on this puppy. You. Yes, sir. So smooth, this bike. Ooh, pop off there. Yeah, buddy. Woohoo. I see that you're actually popping off now too, Eddie. You know, like you're actually jumping off of it now.
Oh, yeah. That was a good
Even Crystal. Like before, these guys were just like rolling it, you know, like. I saw you. You jumped off of that one.
I got it.
Good job.
Yeah, I'm pulling now.
Nice. All right, let's run that back before it gets darker. I've seen you've been practicing, you know, your bunny hop, so have fun, dear. All right, let's follow Crystal. She hasn't biked in a while. All right. You. Pop off here. Whew. Oh, nice. Whew. Man. Oh, I got some distance there. Nice, Crystal. I'm right on you. Nice. I gotcha. I think I filmed you in that one. All right, here we go. Kind of already sundown, but on our way up to Turnbull Tower. Some good times at the jumps, for sure. It's starting to get darker earlier again. That's a much harder route.
Oh, I was going to go that way.
Yeah.
That's usually the way we go.
Okay, yeah.
It's a fun challenge, you know?
Oh, it is, yeah. I agree. Look at that sunset skies. It's like very red-ish today. Ooh, huskies. Oh. I'm actually not going to try the hard route. I'm actually going to take the easy route, Charles. You can take the hard one if you want. Because I remember my cassette is kind of funky today. Attack it. There you go. He's climbing up. Oh no, Charles. I don't think he made it. I don't think Charles made it. But look at that view, guys. Even after sundown, we got You know, sunsets are always nicer when there's skies, clouds. Just more dramatic that way. Alright, I think Crystal's somewhere already here. Nice. Alright, 5-minute break. Now leaving Turnbull Canyon. Let me go down the steep grade here. Although my brakes suck. Holy smokes, that's treacherous down here. Woo. Come on, bike. My tires and my brakes are not that good. But I made it. That was wishy-washy. Go at your own comfort level, okay? Well, I'll take actually the second. I don't have tail lights. Thank you. Alrighty, here we go, guys. Downhill time on Turnbull Canyon pavement road. Seeing the city lights. Did about 16, 17 miles a day. Everyone had fun, and that's the main goal. I haven't used this bike in a while. I've been favoring the Santa Cruz Blur frame, but these suspensions are so much better. Like and subscribe for more e-bike content, guys. Stay safe and amazing out there. Check out the useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your Super73, an aerial rider, or a DIY Bafang kit. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.